Today, I'm just going to focus on primary sources, a few that come out of some of the manuscript and archive collections. So we have several collections of manuscript collections that refer to slavery. For example, the Lewis family papers, which Syl actually has done a presentation on and used for his own research. The Lewis family was a prominent landowning family whose origins go back to the late 18th century in Delaware, and they owned a lot of land in the 19th century, and this included their holdings in slaves. These kinds of documents are very precious and interesting. It's kind of hard to read, but this was a document according to which the services of a slave would be sold or hired out by the owner for a certain period of time. And there's some other collections too. Also in this collection, there's a family Bible that includes birth and death records for members of the Lewis family, but also there's laid in or added some pages about the birth of the children of one of the slaves of the family, owned by the family, whose name was Eliza Ivory. This is held in the papers of Catherine Lewis, part of this collection. And then we also have the Waples family papers, which contain some manumission documents, that is, documents granting freedom to slaves, and a notice for a runaway slave, which I probably should have photographed that and brought that today. And we also have the Edward R. Rogers papers, one of the manuscript collections, which contains his will, according to which he freed his slaves upon his death and stipulated that he'd like for them to go to Liberia.